Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com. And we begin this evening with a developing story. An 8-year-old was shot in Arnett Gardens this evening in what eyewitnesses say was a drive-by shooting. Our reporter Kirk Wright is on location and now joins me live via phone. Kirk, what can you tell us is the latest?
Thank you very much, Janella. Well, I'm actually at the Kingston Public Hospital at the moment. And yes, an 8-year-old boy was shot in the head earlier today. And he is now, we were told just now that he went to do a CT scan. We were also told that he is in serious condition. And at one point, doctors had to perform a chest compression to keep him alive. On the scene earlier when we went there, we were told that he was sitting on a bicycle near to a group of men. Then men on College Smith Drive drove up in a motor car, came out, fired shots on the men who were sitting near to where the boy was, and in the process, he got shot. A police source said that it's believed that the men fired back at the men in the car, but it doesn't appear as if anyone was injured except for the boy who is here at the Kingston Public Hospital now, battling for life. Doctors have stabilized him, and the aim is to move him quickly to the Bustamante Hospital for Children as soon as that is done, if they're successful. General?
Thank you so much, Kirk Wright, there with that report. And we'll have more on this story in subsequent newscasts.